Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. And again, I'm playing with my friend Venom. Could you say hi? And he has got a Mega Knight.
Guys, in a Mega Lightning chest, I thought I'll get nothing, and then after getting Mega Knight, I shouted so much my mother came from the other room.
Yeah, okay, that's enough. So we'll be playing as we'll be playing 2v2. Venom, I'll also 1v1 you.
Yeah,
And let's see.
Yeah, if I learn something. I thought I'll get nothing from the magical test because last time I got nothing. What to send? Magic?
Okay. Oh, with the King Tower activation. Thank you.
These are noobs. I think so. Mega Knight?
They're level 9 though. Not right now. Now. No, wait. On the witch. Put it on the witch, okay?
Wait,
Let me. No, not right now. Don't Mega Knight right now.
Saving Mega Knight for the
Wait,
end.
save Mega Knight.
For the last. I'll send a baby.
Like these guys have activated our King Tower and they can't even reach the bridge.
Oh, Arnab, just be careful. You can activate their thing.
Nah. I am Pyro.
Hero. Mega Knight.
Pyro. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
Arey, I don't have elixir.
Arey yaar.
Loaded.
Okay, go. Arey, will you do it tomorrow?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll send a magic.
Do magic.
Magic.
Because, we need, if they send Inferno, if they have brain, they'll send
Abey yaar.
Heal Spirit. Why they are doing stupid Heal Spirit?
Boom. No man, Heal Spirit is very good. But not for attracting troops, but Heal Spirit
but not
is...
for Mega Knight.
Yeah, no, you can't use it for Mega Knight. Or do a tornado on their king.
Okay, I'll do it. Wait, elixir getting loaded. No, I have a mirror nest. I'll do tornado plus tornado.
Achha, wait. Arey, we got the second tower also.
I know. I
won.
That.
Well played.
I'm gonna do a tornado plus tornado.
Thank you.
Arnab,
Arey, no need. Magic Archer should finish it off.
खुद को मार.
Magic, yeah. I'll fireball over here.
Tornado. Do double
One shot from the Dart Goblin and boom, we win.
Double tornado. Hey! tornado.
That was easy.
Yeah.
Okay, Venom, I'll 1v1 you now.
Guys, I'm ready to lose. Yes.
Arey, what if Savia comes? Okay.
I don't know then.
Venom. Alrighty.
You are a rusher. Start rusher, boy.
Oh, you know me very well. Let's hope you don't have Mega Knight. Oh no! E-Drag! Kill the E-Drag! Okay, thank you. Arey bhai. Okay, 0 damage on the tower. Nitish, can you do your Mega Knight now?
No. I'm waiting for the best moment. For Mega Nighty Bitey Sighty Righty Tighty. Arey!
Okay, Inferno is still alive now. That is good. I want the Inferno alive. And there is the first tower, guys. Oh, yaar. Yeah, it's... Yeah, I got it. Yeah, I got it.
You got it.
Yeah, I got it.
Oh,
I think Clash Master. Yeah, Clash Master.
Yeah, he only has that emote.
Boom.
Arnab, you only told me not to send a skeleton army in front of Prince.
I'm stalling the Prince so that he gets low on health and then...
I wanted this guy. Mega Knight.
Shit, I should have done Inferno. I should have let the thing connect.
Boom.
Ayo! No. Fireball. Why this is bad? Oh, can I get fireball value? No, I won't. But it would have been OP fireball value if I killed the ice wizard also. Okay. Nice. Good Skarmy. Not bad. But my Dart Goblin survives. Boom.
Oh, 2 hits?
Bye. Abey, What?
That's my tower. It's time for the thing.
Thank you. I have Inferno and Valkyrie in cycle. And Magic Archer. I have Prince also, but I don't have the elixir. And your Mega Knight goes down in a second. Okay, that tower is secured. Now let's keep the Zap ready for your Skarmy. Dal Skarmy. Dal Skarmy. Skarmy dal tu. Zap. Arey shit. Zap did not work. Arey tower is not dead. I wasted my Zap. I don't care.
इतनी जल्दी टावर में जाने दूंगा.
Bro, I have fireball in cycle. I can just fireball your tower.
तो करना.
You know what? I will wait for the last second. Now, 2, 1, boom. Ha! Got him. Easy win, yaar. You don't know how to use Mega Knight. You need to learn.
I am new.
Okay, let's go for another 2v2 then.
Oh, now I have a legendary chest over there. Wow.
Why are you playing with Clash Master?
Oh, oi!
Okay, so we are going to watch the match. So Clash Master is the person who has been commenting 1v1 me, 1v1 me.
Cricket the person.
Yes, life is cricket person.
आने दीदा. ये ले. सब खा डाला. मत.
Darkwind is not able to move because of Darkwind got stuck.
ओए. गया. ये आइस तो कुछ नहीं करेगा इतना.
My ice user does 0 damage. Like not 0. It's more than lava hound, but boom. Oh bhai, 600 damage. Oh, Mega Knight, Nitish.
मेरे पास मेरा रैम just waiting for the mirror.
But you don't have elixir. You have 0 elixir. He has fisherman also. Oh, you are dead. Oh bhai, perfect fisherman man. Wow. Hats off to Clash Master.
Scar me for that. I see for this. Pull them back.
Nish, I'm going to go now.
Okay.
So guys, as you can see, the Mega Deck Challenge was also there. I got 4 wins and 3 losses. It was nice. I had a bridge spam deck, sort of bridge spam. So I think that's it for today then. Like the video if you liked it, and if you want more videos like these, do not forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.
Chat.